Structurally, again, it'll follow one of two different themes or two different paths. Most theses fall into this one of two different paths, either the scientific experimental design or more of a theoretical analytical design. My thesis is structured in a theoretical analytical design where I didn't conduct actual research. I didn't go out and get human subjects or distribute surveys. Mine work is all literary, where I'm looking at the published works of other people and then analyzing those things and saying they mean something together individually. And then I could combine those ideas into a new theory or a new set of methods for that's what my thesis is about. But yours might be something closer to the experimental scientific design where you actually are working with human subjects. And that's also very common. I don't have an example of that to show today, but there are many of them in the ETD, in the RIO system, especially those larger doctoral works that have been published recently, the PhDs, where sometimes data collection will be the first stop and results and analysis takes sometimes a couple of semesters to do. If you're working with something that isn't so data heavy or so results heavy, as I said earlier, literature review and methodology tend to be a focus of both sorts of these things.